We'll take 3 tablespoons of oil to fry our onion. Once the oil is hot, we'll add our onion and let this fry till it's golden brown, like Barista, what we put for our biryani and all. So how to make Barista onions is take one onion and finely slice this onion and fry it till golden brown. And see, it takes time. So if you make it in larger quantity and keep this, it is very handful. Like whenever you want to make a lot of dishes out of this fried onions. So if you have time, then you can make of 1 kg and keep. Then you can use for biryanis and curries and all. And here our fried onions are ready. Now we can remove this and keep aside.